What should be the stance of the Muslims? What can you do? Do not underestimate the power of dua. But remember, when Sa'ad bin Abi Waqqas radiallahu anhu, when he would fire arrows, what did the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam say to him? Irmi ya Sa'ad, Abi wa ummi fidak. Irmi ya Sa'ad, Abi wa ummi fidak. At least say something similar. At least have such type of statements. Meaning at least be supportive of the Muslims. Because that alone is sufficient. Be supportive of the Muslims. Be vocal. Wherever you may go, learn the correct arguments. Do not fall into the trap of insulting Jewish people. It's absurd, because I've met Jewish people who are against the state of Israel. Learn how to distinguish between those who are actual enemies of Islam. They sometimes claim to be Muslims or Christians. They go across the board, Zionists. People who support the current occupation. So the very least you can do is at least be vocal, that you support the resistance. Which resistance? The resistance of the Palestinian people. That transcends any group that may be proscribed as a terrorist group. This is not about one group. That people sometimes, they want to mention a specific group. This is beyond a group. We do not support any proscribed group. We support a resistance, en masse resistance. That resistance transcends all the groups. It goes beyond Palestinians. It enters what al-Ummatul Islamiyah.